Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush, guys. As you can see on the screen, we got our third super rare summon gear from this island, our KOMMO-O Dragon Claw gear. I am happy we got this from an unusual fire type ore. Awesome! We don't have it yet, so I'm happy about this. We failed to get it on a previous island, and we use our refining tickets to get that. So 3 out of 4, guys. 3 out of 4. Let's give this a favorite. And wait a minute. Now I'm confused. Has this Dragon Claw gear appeared before? I'm not sure, but you know, we get Dragon Claw gear from our Jangmo-O. Is it Jangmo-O? Or is KOMMO-O something? This one, guys. This one. We get our Dragon Claw gears from a KOMMO-O. So I'm not sure if this actually has appeared on a previous island or not. Whatever, if it appeared or not, I'm just happy that we got our third super rare summon gear from this island. Hope we get our fourth one like really soon. Anyway, where the heck is that KOMMO-O summon gear? It's lost somewhere, guys. I cannot find it. Where the heck is it? There it is. Where? I'm lost again. Let's just sort by newest. And guys, let's level this up. Why isn't it that strong? It's not that strong, guys. It's just 924. I think this is a new one. This hasn't appeared anytime, anywhere yet. So this is probably, most likely, a new one. So this, and I think for Alligator, are new. We're gonna try it out anyway. So switch Pokemon. Let us just try it on with our Mamoswine. What does a KOMMO-O or KOMMO-O do anyway? KOMMO-O boost attack for a certain period of time. Switch. Try it out. Confused. Okay, how many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 6, guys. We need to charge it 6 times. Let's just try and use this. Wow, looks cool. Come on. Latios. KOMMO-O. It's not that strong, guys. But anyway, that's a super rare, and we're happy to get super rares. Let's try it again one more time. And looks like we have more than enough Pokemon. Let's transfer some of them. And one more time. Charizard. Ooh, 5-star guys, 5-star. Wow, 3161. I hope that is a 2-slotted 5-star. If that is a 2-slotted 5-star, we can probably, hopefully, defeat Super Boss number 31. It's about time. Hopefully, guys. Hopefully, first time I was able to record a 5-star Pokemon, you know, getting a 5-star. Hopefully, guys. Hopefully. 2 slots, please. 2 slots. 2 slots. 2 slots. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes. 2 slots. 2 slots. And with that said, we're gonna try Fire Blast Magmar out in Super Boss number 31. Oh my goodness. This will be one of my super strongest you know, where it's almost as strong as my Overheat. Unfortunately, Overheat not really cooperating at times, so I'm kind of excited to use this. Probably a Charge Boost or a Lobber or something. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's try and beat Super Boss number 31. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys with Super Boss number 31 in the next video.